In this lecture, we will do some problems related to the combination and composite function. So, again, from chapter 1, topic 1.3, we have to the problem number 32. That if a function f of x is equal to under root 3 minus x, a function g of x is equal to under root x squared minus 1. So again, by using the same concept, we have to calculate f plus g, f minus g, f of g, and f by g. So if we calculate the individual domain, we know that 3 minus x should be greater than or equal to 0. So correspondingly, 3 should be greater than or equal to x. So x should be less than or equal to 3. Similarly, so I can write the domain of this minus infinity up to 3. Similarly, for this function, x squared minus 1 should be greater than or equal to 0. So x squared should be greater than or equal to 1. Correspondingly, x should be greater than or equal to plus minus 1. So if I write the domain of this function, it will be equal to minus infinity, minus 1 will be included, here minus 3 will also be included, union. So minus infinity to minus 1 and then 1 to infinity. So this is the domain of this function. So if I find f plus g of x, so that is equal to under root 3 minus x plus under root x squared minus 1. So domain is the intersection. If I draw the number line minus infinity to plus infinity, so first domain is x should be less than or equal to 3. So here is the number 3 less than or equal to 3. So this is the part. Second is x should be greater than or equal to 1. So here x should be greater than or equal to 1 and x should be greater than or equal to minus 1. So we know that the domain is the intersection. So for this I can write the intersection part here. If I look at the, so first is from minus infinity up to minus 1 and then 1 to 3. So the domain of this will be equal to 1 to 3 and then minus infinity minus 1 included. So this is basically which is the intersection of f and g. Similarly, if I find f minus g x, again the domain will remain same from minus infinity to minus 1 and then 1 to 3. Similarly, if I find the product of two function f of g, that is basically the under root 3 minus x and product of x squared minus 1, then again the domain will remain same, that minus infinity to minus 1 remain 1 to 3. But in the case when we have to divide two function, that is under root 3 minus x divided by x squared minus 1, then in this case, the domain will be, we have just exclude equal to 0. The domain should not be equal to minus 1 and 1. So domain will be equal to minus 1, minus 1. Now I will use the square round bracket instead of the square bracket, correspondingly 1 up to 3. Because x squared minus 1 should not be equal to 0. So x should not be equal to 1 plus minus 1. So that's why instead of a square bracket, I have used the round bracket. Similarly, if I do the example problem 31 to 38, that is to find the composite of function, and in problem 39 to 42, there are three functions. So let's do problem number 39, in which f of x is equals to 3x minus 2, g of x is equal to sin x, and h of x is equal to x squared. I have to find f of g and g of h. So I can write f, g, h, x. So this is the way we can write. So if I write f of g and g of x. So instead of h of x, just put the value. So that is h of x is equals to x square. So I have put x square. This is the first step. Now I have put the value of g of x, that is sine. So replace the x with the value of g of x, that is sine of x. Then it will equal to f sine. So x will be the x square. Now put value of x in f of x, that is equal to 3x minus 2. So 3, instead of x, I will put sine x square minus 2. So this is f of g, g of h. So if I just look at the step, just for the sake of revision, first I have put, instead of h of x, I have put the value of h of x, that is x square. Now I have g of x, x square, not g of x. So the value of the g of x is sine x. So replace this sine with the x square, that is sine x square. Now put the value of f of x, where in x replace this sine x square and minus 2 will be as it is. So in this way we can find the value of the composites of function. So this is all about the problems related to the combination and the composites of function.